When cellular connectivity is an issue, and the situation demands the most powerful in-vehicle multi-user cell signal booster on the market today, there is now the Drive Reach by weBoost. With Drive Reach, you and your passengers will instantly experience fewer dropped calls, better voice quality, faster network speeds, improved audio and data streaming, and greater hotspot capability throughout North America, no matter where you go or which provider you use. Using the latest technology, the Drive Reach always makes the most of existing cell signal conditions, even in remote locations on the road where cell towers are few and far between, often filling your car with up to twice the signal strength of our next most powerful booster. Drive Reach also stands apart for its sleek metallic red exterior and stylized fin design. Of course, there's more to appreciate about the Drive Reach than what you see on the surface. For one, Drive Reach comes with everything you need right out of the box, and it's easily installed in just minutes, all without the need for tools. Helpful features include a power supply with a USB-A port for rapid phone charging, and an on-off button to prevent unwanted battery drain only add to the Drive Reach's user-friendly appeal. Not to mention its 2-year manufacturer's warranty, fully backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Say goodbye to drop calls and get on the road to better phone coverage. The most powerful in-vehicle cell phone booster is finally within reach. Drive Reach by weBoost.